Hello guys, today I've got a OnePlus Nord 6 and I'm going to show you the contactless payments setup in your phone. At first you need to scroll down to the control panel like this, and here you need to find NFC button. Switch like this and find NFC. If you don't see this, tap this pen icon right here, tap here this plus, and now in the connection section over here, tap NFC. Then when you have this NFC, you need to have it enabled like this white and hold the finger on it. Here, as you can see, we've got default NFC app. Tap it. Select here Google Wallet. Then open the application on your phone called Google Wallet, of course. This should be right here in the finance section. Now you need to sign in to your Google account. Let me do this quickly. Now here, when you enter your password, you need to tap next. Here, set it up actually. And now once you do this, you need to wait. All the Google services needs to be completed, set up, and now here we can disable backup, for example, and now continue as your name. Here you don't really need to have your notifications set, but what you need to do now, tap this plus button over here and tap payment card. As you can see, I already have the payment card set, but you need to tap here new credit card. And now here you can either write these things on your own, or tap scan card and line your card in the frame. Then the card number, the expiration date, and these two things will be automatically set, but you need to enter these CVC code manually. Then here you have this address. I think this is automatically from your Google, this is from your Google account, and then you need to tap here save and continue. Then you will have some verification using your website, bank website, or the application. And here I've got, as you can see, our payment card. I don't have the security code, unfortunately, so I won't show you this, but that's how it works. Now if you place your phone on the terminal like this, you can pay easily. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.